In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit or change your video from colored to black and white. So if you like to convert your video to black and white, it is pretty much simple. You can do it in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add your video on your timeline, and I've just done it here. Then the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the timeline of your video, and then right click on it and look for this option called Smart Edit Tool. Under it, go down here and then choose AI Color Palette. And if you click on it, we have quite a number of settings that we can apply on our video. And for our case, we are interested in converting this to black and white. Now, there are two ways you can do it here. First, you can choose this black and white option, and you can see if I choose this default color, it will go ahead and turn our video to black and white. And now look at that. It is turned to black and white. However, this does not give you much control. We have another way to do it. Now for that, just scroll down until you see this option called color. Look for the option called saturation and color. And now you can go ahead and turn this backward to make this black and white. So you can look at that. If I turn it backward like that, now our video is black and white. However, if I go ahead and increase the saturation, you can see how bright it becomes, and this will make it even more brighter than it was before. So by reducing or turning saturation to 0, we shall have converted our video to black and white. From here, you can also go ahead and increase other options such as exposure. If you reduce them or increase them, you can just play with them around. You can also go ahead and increase brightness or reduce brightness if you want to achieve a certain aspect. You can also go ahead and add or reduce your video contrast, and you can see if you reduce the contrast, your video will be more dark. You can also go ahead and increase or adjust both white and black balance here to achieve the best result on your video. So that's how you can convert your video from colored to black in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.